girls, venner, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new on this channel, I'm saying thank you so much for joining me, and all my old subscribers, you all know I love you like ow. Guys, it's all about the Valentine vibe, so let's get straight into the video. Today we'll be making something amazing. Stay tuned and go nowhere, okay? Okay, guys, you know there is always a first time for everything. It was my first time trying this today as well. So just follow me as we go through this journey together, okay? Guys, it's not that difficult. Just try. There is always a first time. It might not go well for you today, but try again, okay? So guys, before you start, you need to rinse your strawberries in some vinegar water just to kill any bacteria, okay? So for this recipe, you will need some strawberries, you need some white chocolate, you need some dark chocolate, you need a skewer, and you will need some different type of sprinkles that you have or you want to use. But I have some roasted coconut, I have some roasted hazelnut, and I have some sprinkles, and I have just a normal sprinkle, okay? Just use anything. Okay guys, so we're going to start up with our chocolate, our white chocolate and our dark chocolate. We are going to cut them into pieces so they have the same size, so they melt at the same time, okay? So you can melt these in two different forms. You can either melt them in the microwave, or you can melt it also on a two or double boiler, okay? Okay guys, so while the chocolate is melting, find yourself a parchment paper or a baking sheet that you can put your end product on, okay? So guys, I've already started, sorry, I was in a hurry, but anyway, so this is what you do. After melting the chocolate, you put your strawberries on the skewer, or you put the skewer in the strawberry and dip the strawberries in the chocolate, okay? Let's look at how scrupulizing this thing looks. So you just shake off to bring out the excess, all right? And then you can slightly brush it at the tip of the bowl or the glass you are using, or you have the chocolate in, okay? It's all up to you. So just watch me do this. I just put some hazelnut on this, and there I go. Oh my god, doesn't this look so appetizing, guys? Don't lie, it looks good. So guys, keep watching, and yeah, just follow me. Okay guys, so after this point, I didn't know which one to choose. I was doing blueberry. How old are you? Okay guys, so after now, I'm putting my white chocolate in a zip bag or a plastic bag if you have, or even if you have a piping bag, you can just do that, okay? So guys, if you notice your chocolate is sitting, just pop it into the microwave again for just some 30 seconds just to reheat it again, okay? Hey guys, don't tell me you don't want to take a bite, eh? Don't tell me you don't want to try this, eh? Hey, I can see you stretching your hair. Put your hand down, where are you going to? Ah, crazy. So guys, I'm just trying to slit the mouth of the piping bag or the plastic bag so I can do a little bit decoration on the dark chocolate one that is at the corner then. But look at what I'm doing. I'm doing locally. Hey. Then I mean sing any line the line. After all, I'm the one eating my thing, or it'll be so. It is so. So Charlie, have fun in that kitchen, okay? Okay guys, so this is the end of today's video. If you did like this video, do well to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And guys, you don't need to be a professional to do this. Just try it before Val's Day come, okay? So until we meet next time guys, don't forget to stay safe and don't forget to mask up. And guys, do follow me on my social media handle, which is AWAAYY_base on Instagram, okay? So until we meet next time, the name is ABIGAIL and it's Abigail, and I am out. Peace.